Spig for a couple of minutes. I know you're going to come back after the commercial break and play for us again. I had the good fortune last week to see you in Las Vegas, and you have never sounded better. And you were talking about how this point in your career, how this type of music from Diving Board, Home Again, is something that you want to do.
Yeah.
How important is this for you and where you are in your life, this type of music?
I'm 66 now. I'm not going to write songs like I did when I was 25. I have 2 children now. I have a relationship that's lasted for 20 years. I'm a different person from what I was earlier. And I think unless you have to change musically, and you have to try and move on, you can't just recreate the same thing time and time again, otherwise it would be boring. And with this album I've tended to be a bit reflective, and there's more piano on the album than I've ever played before. So, for me it's a moving on thing. If I can make albums that I feel as if I'm progressing musically and vocally, then I will still make records. I'm not the guy I was when I was 25, and I don't want to be. I'm very happy being the person I am now.
I know. We see you with your family, and you're so relaxed, and it's being reflected in your music. And tomorrow night, the Elton John AIDS Foundation, you have raised, my friend, over $300 million. $300 million. You're receiving 2 awards in the coming weeks, one from Harvard and one from the Rockefeller Foundation. But just talk about the gala tomorrow and what that means to you.
Well, it's our annual fundraiser in New York City, which happens at this time of the year. It's called Enduring Vision. We have 2 major fundraisers a year, one at the Oscar party, one here in New York. And it gives us a chance to put some more money in the bank and have a great evening. Heart are playing for us tomorrow night, bless them. Bless their hearts.
Pun intended. And
it's a very important, for us it's just trying to get into people's consciousness that the disease hasn't gone away. We have a light at the end of the tunnel, but we still need to do a lot more work. And there are a lot more areas in the world that are becoming time bombs and which will unfortunately make themselves clear when they happen in the next couple of years. Then we really have to do a lot more work.
Well, you and your music, you're a light at that end of that tunnel. So we're going to have more from Elton John. You want another song? You're going to have to wait. One of his classics when we come back here.